Hi.
Hi.
My name's Mario.
My name's Tanya.
We are Tanya and Mario, and so we promised to do a video this time about lying down. It's a position where you're probably the most relaxed. So I would associate that with that moment where I've got my pajamas on, I've brushed my teeth, and I get into bed and lie down. If you made it into a ritual of like getting into bed and lying down and just for 5 minutes taking stock of your body and how you're feeling and try and feel each different part of your body, one by one.
You lie down and then you just start visualizing your toes and you start visualizing one part of your body after another. So you move up your body and toes. At the end you visualize your whole body.
Yeah, that's feet, ankles
and so on. You just move up your
calves, and try and visualize each different part in turn.
What kind of state is it in? If you had to visualize your feet, how are your feet positioned, how are your different body parts positioned, and you just see it and it's easier to do when your eyes are closed. See it in your mind's eye. And at the end, you try to visualize your whole body. Me personally, I prefer doing the lying down meditation in the morning when I get up, because it's the start of the day and just gently getting your day started. It's a way to kind of
wake up. What a fantastic start to the day. Just prolong it for a while. When you're lying down, you feel heavy, so you can feel the different parts of your body where they're touching. Like if you're in bed, which parts of your body are touching the mattress, for example, and just feel the heaviness.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that when either you can do it as a meditation, you keep your eyes open for relaxation, but then also just to help you fall asleep.
It's like a game you can play with your body. Make yourself really, really heavy. You try to get up and you can't get up, and then you can do the opposite. You can imagine it really light,
floating in the clouds.
It's all about sensing. Imagining your body heavy, imagining your body really light, and just getting to have fun with your body in a way.
And getting to know it. So, really great way. I mean, instead of television, you can do that. That will get you in touch with your body and really positive way to end your day.
It's as you say, it's really about just tuning in to just getting an idea of what's happening, what's going on right now in this specific body part, what's happening there.
Okay, so that's great. So our next sort of series, if you like, we're going to start talking about that mindfulness and meditation in everyday life and how it can make everything amazing for you. Again, small things, small changes, big impact. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Have a great week.